We give the floor now to the Centre Zagros pour les droits de l'homme.
Madame la Présidente.
Madam Chairperson, this forum is dedicated to the subject of stateless minorities, but for Kurds in Iran of Iranian nationality, this wasn't enough to protect them from severe repression. More than 12 million Kurds from Iran have long been suffering from deeply entrenched discrimination. Dozens of Kurdish militants have been executed this year, and hundreds of civilians working in the border region of Iranian Kurdistan have been killed or injured by the Iranian border security forces. No Iranian official has been held responsible for these violations, which happen on a daily basis. The Kurdish regions have been neglected economically, and this has led to persistent poverty. The use of the Kurdish language in education still faces obstacles. Human rights defenders, civil activists, and Kurdish journalists risk arrest and judicial proceedings. Some become prisoners of conscience. Others suffer from torture, trials which are very...
Do we have a point of order, please?
I have a point of order because the NGO who is delivering a statement is speaking out of agenda. Would you please interrupt him? Thank you.
And I thank you. And I am asking the speaker whether we can focus our attention to minority women and children affected by statelessness. In this case, you still have 48 seconds.
Les minorités religieuses.
Religious minorities who are partially or mainly Kurdish are the target of measures to stigmatize them and isolate them. And the environment and nature in the regions continues to be degraded. Forests are burned, sources of water are dried up, and then whatever the consequences, the rivers then are sent into subterranean tunnels which go to certain areas of Iran, in the center of Iran. Our association, the Zagros Center, calls on the Iranian authorities to take concrete measures to put an end to discrimination and violations of human rights, and in line with the obligations incumbent upon them under international law. In general, our association calls the Iranian authorities to take effective measures so that the Kurds